Hi lovelies, welcome to bayoandobi show. Today's video it's about application. Yes, January is at hand and many of us are preparing and looking out for schools that would start application. Yes, like I've said in my previous video that Algarve, University of Algarve would be starting around the January period. That's their season of application. And so in this video, I'm going to give you a guide on how to go about the school for the application, how to go about it, how to know the course you want to apply for, you know their guidelines, you know what it takes to apply. In this video, I'm going to be opening your eyes to see a lot of things because there are times that many students make mistake and when result comes out, they are not selected. But before we go into the video proper, if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. I'm Doris, or you simply call me bayoandobi. I talk about studies, migration, and everything to make students settle fast. If this is the kind of video you like, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you have. Thank you so much. So guys, this is how you're gonna do it. Yes, here I'm going to type University of Algarve, City of Algarve. Okay, click on it and it brings you to here. Then click on the main page, or otherwise you click on the courses, but I just, for the sake of the video, I'm going to go one by one. Either you come to this menu bar or you come to study, but just for the sake of this video, if I was doing it all by myself, I know what to do. So then you click on courses. When you click on courses, then you come down. So also, if you're applying to any other school, if you're applying for masters or undergraduate, you click the option. So we are clicking on masters for the sake of this video. Okay, you can see all the courses for masters. You can see them. Okay, I think we should just go for electrical and computer engineering, for example. Okay, let's see what they have. You can see this is their department. It's going to be taught both in Portuguese and in English by same teacher. Okay, so you can see overview. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be rushing. Okay, specialization, you have to choose one of it. One, either information technology and communication or power and control. One thing about this department is it is competitive. If you can see the tuition here. For international students, it is 2,000. Application fee is 50 euros. When you get admitted, you're going to pay 175 euros first before you pay the tuition. The tuition can be divided into 10 places, which means you can pay 200 first after paying the 175. Okay, for the application of the program, you need to click on the admission tab. Okay, so let's look for the admission tab. This is it here. Click on it. Some it might be application. Note that my computer default, this is a Portuguese computer, the language, but I have to change it to English for the sake of this video. So if you want to change to English, right click, it brings out the option for you to translate to English. Okay, so this is it. You can see admission. This is for 2025/2026. They needed 35 persons in that department, and this is the fourth phase. Note that at this time, this is the ones that are present here currently. So by the time they start application by next year, you know it's going to change, but it's still the same thing they will put. These are the conditions for you to apply: holder of bachelor's degree or equivalent, which means if you have HND, you can apply. Okay, if you have HND, you can apply. So know that you are going to submit your HND and OND result. So you must legalize your document here. These are just what they are talking about. Okay, and so they've listed criteria for selections. Can you see? Adequacy of degree, they are going to check it, and the equivalent, the final classification of you, that's your transcript, the score there. I'm going to teach you guys how to calculate that, your CV and your motivation letter with your recommendation letter. You can see it, application form duly completed. By the time you start, there will be an option for you to click here. A key means here. Then for you to click and create a username for yourself and submit. You can see for 2025/2026, you can see when they started. That's January 7th. So after the new year, they might just open their portal for you to start your application. Okay, so get ready. And one thing I also tell students is you can go, this is the director, it's like HOD. You can start speaking with the director even before, so that by the time you're submitting your this thing, the professor might just be like, oh, I've come across a name like this. You can just write to the professor, tell the professor this is his email, send an email there, and they're going to reply you. Ask questions. Oh, I have this, can I apply? But one thing I want to tell us for free: if you are applying to this department, yes, they wrote electrical engineering and other and or related area. I tell you, if you study electrical electronics, you can apply. If you studied computer engineering, you can apply. But if you study physics, you know it's related, but they would first of all take people who studied this course, electrical electronics and computer engineering, first before they look into others. So even if you have, because I remembered when I applied for someone who studied physics, this person is a correct 2-1, but the person was not given. I think it was at the third phase the letter gave the student, but then the student have already applied to another school and the other school have given him. Yes, you might be qualified, but they'll first of all take people who studied the main course before looking out. You can see the number of persons that they want. So you can see how you can select your course, go to the department and read all these criteria. Okay, I'm quite sure at the end of this video, you have been able, or you should be able, to apply to this school when it is open. So let's all look out for that school, so that you can know and you can know how to go about it. Thank you so much if you have watched up to this moment, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.